The top Creamery Syrup range, in addition to making great coffees and fraps, is used extensively in a wide array of food and beverage applications, including milk teas, sodas, smoothies, and milkshakes, cocktails and mocktails, ice cream, waffles and pancakes, cakes, pastries, and desserts. Produced locally with imported ingredients from Italy, its quality and taste are comparable to Italian-made syrups. Local production means that the retail price is significantly reduced, and reduced price in ingredients means a large profit margin. You might wonder though, why are our barista premium line syrups are inexpensive despite being of great quality? Simple. 1. Imported top-of-the-line raw materials. 2. Local manufacturing facility. And 3. No import costs and customs duties that make price go high. More importantly, the product texture, concentration, and flavors blend perfectly with the existing Filipino market profile of coffee shops. Our research and development team constantly ensures that our syrup will be the best alternative for international brands. In effect, this solves the challenges of rising capital costs for business owners, given the recent difficulties in the import process from abroad that caused price inflation. Why Top Creamery? We produce top-quality beverage ingredients. We source raw materials from abroad. We reduce your capital cost by making our products locally accessible. In short, we are your true business partner for growth.